This past season for Fountain View had a challenging beginning when Hurricane Ian came ashore in southwest Florida on September 28th, causing substantial damage to our community. Many trees came down, and most homes and buildings had damage, some more so than others. The full-time residents living here, our first responders, quickly jumped into action the day after the hurricane to begin the cleanup, to clear the streets, and to get our water plant up and running. Cindy Wood and her team of volunteers made meals for the residents in these early days. Neighbors helped each other with the restoration of their homes, and our volunteers worked tirelessly. Professional crews were also hired to help our park with its cleanup and restoration. Thanksgiving in Fountain View last fall was devoted to honoring and thanking our first responders. A parade was held, followed by a delicious Thanksgiving dinner, and each of our responders was given a medallion. January 2023 saw Fountain View return to most of its regular sports activities, with volleyball held every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday mornings. And pickleball, a very fast-growing sport, was played daily. Shuffleboard was played every Monday and Thursday mornings, ending the season with a tournament. Bocce was as popular as ever, with a great championship game. Golfers gathered every Tuesday morning for a round of golf at the Burnt Store Marina. Water aerobics was held in our pool every morning from 9 to 10, led by Marie Mendel, and Karen Rogers led morning exercises in the clubhouse. There is certainly lots of physical activities for our residents in Fountain View. Each month we had a great dance at the clubhouse with awesome bands to dance to. Thanks so much to our dance committee who worked so hard setting up these dances and booking these bands for us to have a great evening in the clubhouse. Sonny and Marilyn brought in great entertainment every month at the clubhouse for us to enjoy. Great singing groups, as well as a very funny comedian. We're certainly going to miss Marilyn and Sonny, who won't be back next season. Two important fundraising events held in February: the Bazaar, led by Rita, Barb, and Linda, and the Flea Sale, led by Sandy and Chip, raised thousands of dollars for the park. Cindy Wood also organized a potluck fundraiser for hurricane relief in the clubhouse, which was a very successful event. Bingo was well attended this year, held in the clubhouse every Thursday evening, and Bunko, a new game played with dice, was hosted once a month by Lenny and Tammy Campbell. To feature Fountain View's fine singers, Paul Sagal hosted karaoke each month. Each month, Nancy and I organized an outing for our residents to hear bands at different venues. We visited Babcock Ranch to hear the Ben Allen Band, the Rum Bucket to hear the classic rock group American Made, and TT's in Punta Gorda to hear pure country. Residents with musical instruments can jam in the laundromat on Thursday evening. The pool hall is open anytime for residents to enjoy. And we had Jim Sharp's brother come and give us a bagpipe performance this year. Dawn Hoffman and her team organized our welcome dinner for our newcomers, and also monthly happy hours, including the popular Margaritaville pool party where we had an awesome time. Our monthly ice cream socials, held on a Sunday evening, were always deliciously appreciated and hosted by Jackie and Sonny. The Fountain View residents from Pennsylvania and Canada got together for a great party at the clubhouse, which we all enjoyed. In January, Fountain View held a farewell pool party for Val, our office manager, who moved to Las Vegas to be near family. We also said goodbye to two long-term Fountain View ambassadors, Jackie and Sonny Lunn, who are returning home to Corey, Pennsylvania. Marie Mendel was presented with the Loretta Yates Humanitarian Award for her many years of volunteer service on the board and helping run the kitchen for the bazaar. She still helps with bingo and does the morning pool water aerobics. As we can see, Fountain View is a wonderful community to live in. Many communities in Southwest Florida were destroyed by Hurricane Ian. We survived. We worked hand in hand as a community in the recovery and restoration of our park. Our volunteers have been phenomenal in this process. We still have challenges, such as our water plant, which was damaged, but the repair has started. Let's continue to work together and be a unified community as we move forward and keep Fountain View the hidden gem it is and the best park in Southwest Florida.